beautiful people, you're welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I am Confidence, a mommy vlogger based here in Abuja, Nigeria. If today is your first time seeing my pretty face, you are highly welcome. Please relax and enjoy this video. And for my returning subscribers, may God bless each and every one of you wherever you're watching me from. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining us today. So in today's video, we're actually going to be talking about the reason why you should not partake on every giveaway online and going to birthday parties. The secret behind giveaway online and birthday parties. I am a spiritualist and I am telling you what is happening around the world today. And it's now my duty to protect each and every one of you wherever you are watching me, because you are my family. So now let me tell you a short story. For those that want to, wherever they hear that they have party, they will just run. They will go to that place. Wherever they say, this one is having birthday party, they will just go there. They will just like, okay, I want to go. Do you know that Chiamaka is having a birthday party and she's killing cow and she's all these our celebrities are coming. She's killing cow, 2 cows and or 1 cow. I'm just using an example for you to know where I'm heading to. There's food to eat. There's a lot of there's drink. There's water. There's a lot of things. Let's just go and enjoy our life as if your life depends on that particular birthday party. Don't go. Any birthday party, be it a billionaire or an upcoming billionaire or an upcoming artist, celebrities killing cow on birthday parties, please do not go. I'm specializing on birthday party for now. Don't go. Here are the reasons. Because of our young youth today, they want to make it quick. I am into this and I'm going to share it with you so that you'll be careful whenever you want to. A friend call you, come, let's go and celebrate someone's birthday, somebody that you don't even know. But because they are friends, they now ask you to come and follow them. Please, what you are going to do for me is that when you go there, do not eat anything. If you really want to eat, take your own water along. Do not drink, do not eat anything. There are some birthday parties that they will ask them to kill a cow. Assuming now I have a friend, I have friends all around me, and we are into secret ritual money. Then on my birthday, I can decide to kill a cow or kill ram. Basically cow or ram, goat, ram, anything but not chicken. You can decide to use chicken just to make things not to be suspicious. But each birthday that they are doing in a big way and you don't understand, do not eat anything there. If you like, say that you believe in God, you pray a lot, do not eat anything there. This is what is happening now in my field where I work. When a lady or a guy celebrates her birthday or his birthday in a tush way, my dear, they will ask you to invite your friends, invite this one, invite the other one, invite another one. You will know that before you know it, the whole house will full. They will have a big party celebrating birthday or the other. Then after that, you will see that after eating that meat in that particular birthday, you will see that after 2 days, you will hear that, do you know that person that was in that party, that birthday party yesterday? The person was just walking motor jama and die. The person was just on his own, or he was just jacking and die. You don't know, a lot of time, mostly times, all the times we bring problem to ourselves because of our longer throats. People don't care this nowadays. People don't care what will happen to their own fellow woman. They do anything because of money. You will see a lot of, let me come to giveaway. It's not every giveaway you will partake on it. I can ask my customer to go and do giveaway to many people around the world. And after doing that giveaway, you that have a when you see money, you cannot control yourself. It will work on you. You that love money, it will work on you more than that person that was just like, God, I thank you wherever this money is coming from. I don't know the reason why this person is sharing money, but wherever this money is coming from, please bless the person. But you see that you that will be like, do you know that they are sharing money on this street? You will just run so that you go and collect. It will work on you very well. It will affect you very well. It's not every giveaway you partake on it online. Drop your number or drop your account number, this, drop your account number, that. No. Some of those things they are doing online is for you. You are dropping your number, they are sending money into your account. You're using your destiny to make somebody out there to progress while you sit in abject poverty. Poverty because you want to partake 50,000 naira, you want to partake 100,000 naira. Sometimes somebody will tell you that I'm a charity giver. We give you like 300,000 naira. We give you like 500,000 naira online. We give you like 50,000 naira because of what? I am a charity giver. You collect and you are boasting that they give you charity money. They are taking your destiny, joining it with their own, making progress with your destiny, sitting on top of your destiny, and you still pray, like you still happy that somebody dash you something, not knowing that they are taking your destiny. That's why I said it's not every giveaway you partake on it. It's not every giveaway you just like, okay, come, I'm giving giveaway. No. They don't work like that. So guys, you just need to, be careful on how you go to birthday parties. You be careful on how you partake on every giveaway online. Please, some of all those things are for you to just volunteer your destiny, because there are a lot of things happening in this our feed today. And I am here to, I am always eager to share with you guys as a family that you guys are to me now. How much is that person, even of how much is Dangote sharing? How much is Bill Gates sharing? How much is Adeleke sharing? Somebody will just come and give you 100,000 and say, okay, I'm a charity giver, you collect. People will just be sharing money online. Oh yeah, it's time to give away. That is time they ask them to do that, to collect people's, renew their powers. Some they ask them to renew their powers 2 months. Some they ask them to renew their powers every April, every December. Every New Year, here and there you be hearing giveaway. It's not ordinary. You just think it is ordinary. You be dropping your account number. Longer throat, it will choke you. Later on, you'll be running around. You'll be looking for solution. Your destiny has been stolen. This and that. Stop being akbere. And mind your business. Pray to God. God will bring a destiny helper into your life, and that will better your life. So guys, without wasting much of your time, please, it's not every giveaway online that you partake. There is a lot of secrets that I'll be sharing on my channel. It's not every birthday party that you will attend. Please be security conscious, because so that we all will benefit from this channel. I love you guys today, and I will see you in my next video. For now, take care. Bye.